So you want to become a top sales performer, but everyone keeps telling you to read books, right? Who's got time for that? Over my many years in business, I've read hundreds of sales books. There is one that stands out, The Mentor by Jack Carew. This book is a game changer. Today, I'm going to condense its core lessons into something that you can use to get rich in 6 months. And no, I'm not just saying this. I've applied these principles myself and seen massive success. Stick with me, and this insight will take you from prospecting to initiating contact to closing, and from closing to post-sales in no time. Level 1. Going from prospecting to initiating contact. First up, Jack Carew says, life is a sales game. Think about it. Every interaction is an opportunity to sell something, an idea, a solution, or even yourself. When I started out, even convincing a friend to join me for a road trip was a form of sales. I sold the idea by highlighting the fun, adventure, and memories we'd make. It's all about presenting the benefits in a way that resonates. Embrace this mindset and you'll see opportunities everywhere. Next, magnify your spirit. The mentor emphasizes the power of a positive and enthusiastic attitude. When I pitched my first big project, my passion and excitement were so infectious that the client couldn't help but say yes. The size of your commitment multiplies and magnifies the potential for prosperity. Start each day with positive affirmation and let your passion for what you do shine through. Then there is embrace the truth. Be honest with yourself about your strengths and your weaknesses. I once struggled in a highly competitive market, and it wasn't until I acknowledged my shortcomings that I could improve. Each of us has the duty to be the business world's most vigorous advocate of truth. Conduct regular market research and be truthful about where you stand. This will help you strategize better. Level 2. Initiating contact to closing. Now that you've fixed all your internal beliefs, to make the next leap, you need to know how to generate more value than you can from just selling your time. Admiring yourself first is crucial. Before you can convince others of your worth, you need to build self-confidence. I used to struggle with self-doubt, but focusing on my achievements and my strength boosted my confidence. To find the good in others, find the good in yourself. Surround yourself with positive influences and practice self-affirmation. Your confidence will project in your sales score, making you more convincing. Power Up with Excitement is all about showing genuine enthusiasm. Remember the last time you were truly excited about something. That energy is contagious. When I was excited about a new product, my clients could feel it, and it made them excited too. Passion is the magic that makes impossible to meet goals possible. Stay informed about your product and let your excitement be evident in every interaction. Compete with energy means maintaining high energy levels. Regular exercise and a healthy diet keep me energized and focused, essentially for any demanding role. Competitiveness comes from the soul. It's your ability to look down the barrel of a competitor's gun and not be intimidated, but rather be motivated. Set challenging goals, take care of your physical health, and stay motivated. Your clients will notice your vitality and be more drawn to you. Level 3. Closing to post-sales. Elon Musk wouldn't be nearly as successful as he is today if he didn't have the ability to inspire others and to make his vision a reality. To achieve preferred position, highlight your unique selling points. I remember competing for a big client and realizing I had to stand out. By emphasizing on our exceptional customer service, we secured the deal. The core objective of all selling activity is to reach the position of maximum effectiveness and profitability with your customers. Continuously improve your product and build a strong brand presence to stay ahead of the competition. Influence the outcome is about using persuasive techniques, understanding psychological principles like social proof and scarcity can help you guide decisions. I once used testimonials from satisfied clients to persuade a hesitant prospect, and it worked like a charm. Tailor your messages to address the specific needs of your prospects, and you will see your influence grow. Discover their dreams means understanding what truly motivates your prospects. I had a client passionate about sustainability, and by aligning our product's eco-friendly features with his values, we closed the deal. Ask open-ended questions and listen attentively to uncover what really matters to your prospects. Align your offerings with their aspirations for better results. When you encounter objections, resolve with passion. A client once worried about our services cost, but I passionately explained the long-term value and ROI, and he was convinced. Make sure the customer feels your heart when you make your sales presentation. Address concerns with empathy and commitment, and you will find objections melting away. Close with courage means having the boldness to ask for the sale. I remember feeling nervous during a big pitch, but summoning the courage to confidently request the client's business paid off. Failing to close is not completing your mission. Create a sense of urgency and highlight the benefits of deciding now. Be assertive and confident in closing. Negotiate from strength involves being well prepared and understanding your value. Before any negotiations, I ensure I know my worth and the client's needs. In negotiations, there can be no losers. The outcome has to be a win for all concerned. Build trust with your client to facilitate smoother negotiations. Persistence is key, as the mentor explains. In Persist with Determination, I always follow up with clients to ensure their satisfaction. Show your clients you are committed to their long-term success, and your determination will pay off with repeat business and referrals. Bounce back from rejection by treating setbacks as learning experiences. Each rejection taught me something valuable. The business environment is an emotionally charged arena with accelerating highs and crashing lows. Like injured athletes and exhausted performers, salespeople have to play when they are hurting. Analyze what went wrong and improve your approach. Stay positive and keep pushing forward. Finally, renew your soul. Sales can be demanding, so it's crucial to take care of yourself. Engage in activities that recharge your energy. Always stay in the game. Listen, acknowledge, explore, and respond. If you want to understand how money works, I'm going to leave the next video right up there. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your world. Okay, see you over there.